Hello, I'm Joseph Crane with Illegal Hardy Architects. We're here today to open bids for Lake Elementary School improvements, JPS bid number 3188. We are in receipt of a bid from Connerly Construction Incorporated, electronic bid. We first have resumes and qualification statements. I have a bid bond, 5%, Travelers Casualty and Surety Company of America, Travelers. Contractor Certificate of Responsibility number 03619-MC. That's 03619-MC. Contractor is a resident contractor. Contractor is non-minority. Contractor indicates they have made good faith efforts to obtain MBE, WBE participation. Describe efforts, there is an attachment further down. They acknowledge receipt of Addenda 1 and 2. Time of completion, base bid, 200 days. Bid alternate 1, 45 additional days. Bid alternate 2, 60 days. Bid alternate 3, 30 days. Base bid lump sum price, $411,000 even, 411,000. Bid alternate number 1, $135,000, 135,000. Alternate 2, $124,000, 124,000. And bid alternate 3, $70,000 even, 70,000. And then attached, they have subcontracting with small minority firms, a report on their efforts for solicitation. This concludes the bid opening for Lake Elementary School improvements, JPS bid number 3188.